Hello everybody, it's me, Rachel. In today's video, I have a massive haul. If you hear some noise off in the distance, it's my son playing. I will try to drown it out as much as I can, and you can just hear my voice. I'm trying to talk as loud as I can. But he's over there playing, having a good time, and this is what I got. So I did a pretty big purchase from Ulta. If you can see this box, it's pretty big. And I also got some stuff from Juvia's Place. So I don't remember which palettes I got from Juvia's Place and which ones I got from Ulta. So I'm just going to start with all the Juvia's Place palettes that I got. I have 4 of them. I'm so stoked. I pretty much just kind of went on like a binge on Juvia's Place. So the first one that I got, not in any particular order, is the Velvets, or Violets, not Velvets, Violets. And oh my goodness, this is beautiful colors. Here are some of the shades swatched a little bit. I am so excited to play with these. I've played with some of this stuff, but not all of it. The next one is the Warrior by Juvia's Place, obviously. Look how gorgeous that is. So beautiful. I am really excited about this. I know it's kind of very neutral, but it just looks so pretty. And I've seen a lot of really pretty like bronzy looks going out. Mine's kind of like a rose gold that I'm wearing today. I just have to go to the grocery store. Really not even go in, I'm just going to pick up groceries. And then I got the Saharan palette. Look at that. I just decided to get some variety from them. So let's do this shade, this one, and this one. So pretty. I have a small Juvia's Place palette that I've played with, but I just felt like it was just like a small introduction to the brand. And now I just am flooded with Juvia's Place. And then I got the Zulu palette, which, yeah, I mean, I feel like if you're going to get a Juvia's Place, you have to get this one. And then let's swatch basically the shades that stand out the most. Beautiful. I'm so excited to play with those. If you guys want to see videos on any one of those palettes, just comment simply whatever one you want to see and I will do that. Then I also got a highlighting brush from Juvia's Place. It looks really pretty. Look at the handle, very much my aesthetic. So soft. And I haven't used this one yet, mostly because I haven't sanitized it, so not that I'm a clean freak, but I just feel like it's better. Okay, and then from Ulta, I got a couple different things. First, I'm going to start, I did one purchase from the 50% off sale from Urban Decay. I already have filmed a video using the On the Run palette, and this is so pretty, and I was so happy with the way that the look came out. It's just beautiful, and you can still get it. It's not 50% off anymore, but you can still get it. And then I got the Glide On pencil in Psychedelic Sister, purple. And then I got the Naked Basics 2. Because I don't have the Naked 2 palette anymore. I sold it at a time that I used to sell some stuff. And yeah, now I have this, and you can't get Naked 2 anymore, which I'm kind of beating myself up about a little bit. Just a little bit though. Okay, and then I'm trying to do a video with finding some good cruelty-free makeup removers and like some micellar waters, because a lot of the times I remove my makeup and I don't want to use makeup wipes. I just want to just remove my makeup and then like stuff like that. So without water, basically what I'm trying to get out. So I got the Tarte Micellar Water Magic, which it can remove a little bit of makeup. I have used it a little bit, as you can see. And I'm not going to do like reviews on it right now, but I'm just telling you which ones I picked up. And then I got the Botanics eye makeup remover for all skin types. So, and it's like one of those ones that kind of separates. So I'm kind of stoked about that. And then I got actually this Body Shop Chamomile Gentle Eye Makeup Remover. And it's really a big size. This has 8.4 fluid ounces. And I have yet to use this. The other ones I did use. And so I'm really excited to try this out. Because chamomile, that sounds nice for the end of the day. And then I have been using this British Rose toner, but I didn't find that when I went to go try to buy another one. So I got the Vitamin E Hydrating Toner from the Body Shop. So we'll see how this one goes. I really like the Rose one. I will, if I find it, I will repurchase that one. So there's that. And then lastly from the Body Shop, I got the NYX Butter Gloss, not Body Shop, from Ulta, not Body Shop. I got the butter gloss from NYX in Strawberry Cheesecake. I really like these. They're just really simple for me to throw on in a video. Obviously nobody really sees it while I'm out because I'm wearing a mask. Mask, people, mask it up. And then I got a hand cream, a strawberry hand cream from the Body Shop. It's like little teeny tiny, perfect for your purse. And then last, I'll show you the things that I got in my BoxyCharm. I do have BoxyCharm Premium and then like the original. I think I'm just gonna do Premium and just get rid of the original. Anyways, so I got the Fenty Beauty Fairy Balm Copa Chill, and it's like a bronzy kind of thing, and I'm kind of excited to use this to like bronze up a little bit. It smells really good. I have yet to use it, but it does smell good. And then I got also from Fenty, I got a brush. It's like a good sized travel brush. It's like, it says for concealer and for blush, but I don't know. I was like, first I was like, oh cool, it's like a stick thing, but it's really just a brush. I thought maybe it did something more, but it's just a brush. I haven't seen a lot of brands. These came out a long time ago. They used to like in the early 2000s, like Clinique had stuff like this, but this is a really cool like travel thing. I don't have the Clinique versions anymore, but Fenty, cruelty-free for me. And then I got this, I'm not really sure how to say this, Terrastico, I'm not really sure, but it's a Summer Glow to Go Duo. Not a duo, but it comes with it has like 2 shadows. It says mini highlighter stick, mini blush stick, mini eyeshadow crayon, and mini brow pencil. So I'll show you them. I've already kind of swatched some of them and I'm really stoked about it. So here is the highlighter. Looks pretty, it's just a twist up. I haven't swatched that one yet, but I did swatch the blush and the eyeshadow. So this is the eyeshadow. It's kind of a golden shade. A pewter. Really pretty, kind of taupe-ish. And then the blush, I'm excited about. I'm trying to get back into cream blushes, but this one looks really nice because it's kind of a buildable shade. This is like 3 passes. So I'm really excited. It's like a kind of a matte cream tone. And then the eyebrow pencil. Oh, it's actually eyebrow pencil shaped. Let's try it. Ooh, it's stiff, very waxy. We'll try that out. I've been really into doing my brows lately, and that's really exciting. So that is those. I'm not sure how to say it, but that's what that looks like. I'm not going to butcher it. I feel like that happens way too much. And then the Mud Masky hair mask. I got this. Made in the Netherlands. It is cruelty-free, paraben-free, and natural ingredients. So I'm actually really excited. I seen like a thing on TikTok about using aloe vera in your hair, just pure aloe vera plant. And I was like, I'm gonna try that, but I have some stuff to try already, so I'm gonna try this and stuff. And then if that works out and I finish that, then I'll try the aloe vera. And then I got this vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream from Sunday Riley, and the packaging on this is really dirty and gross, and that's how it came with BoxyCharm. Oh, I don't know, BoxyCharm, I don't know if they're just like super crazy over there, but a lot of the, like sometimes I miss a card, some products are dirty. Ooh, it smells like oranges. Oh, it makes me want to orange Julius. Smells really good. So I will put this in my like skincare stash that I have. Excited to try this out. I love getting skincare in BoxyCharm lately. And then I got the Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Brow Gel. And like I said, I'm really into doing my brows, so this was really exciting. And I don't have anything from Milk, so I'm not going to open this because I have some stuff already opened, but I'm really excited about it. And this is in the shade Diesel, which I hope it's not super dark. And then I got a XL Lash Volumizer, and this is from Dermilect. I'm not really sure. There's so many brands that are just so fancy in their woods. So this is the mascara. Dermilect. So that's it. I'm not going to open it because I have other mascaras opened and stuff that I need to use before I try this. But I am excited to try that. That looks like a really nice high-end thing. And then something from, I don't know, Elastic. I'm not sure. If I know it, I'm going to say it. If I don't, I'm just going to show you. But it's a bronzer. Or a contour bronzer, and I like the tone of this because it's not too orange. It has a little bit more of a gray tone to it, so it looks like it's going to be really, really good. And I'm really excited to try that. And then I got this Ciate London, the Editor palette. And when I opened this, I was like, oh, it looks really pretty. And then it just immediately reminded me of an e.l.f. palette. Maybe it's just the way that it's set up or something, but it just kind of reminds me of e.l.f. And that's not a bad thing. e.l.f. is a really great brand. But I'm really excited to try this. There's not very many matte shades in here, but they do have some of the staple mattes in here. And it looks like they just kind of wanted to play with color and just make a fun palette. So I will do a video on this because I feel like it's something that's pretty relevant and I want to showcase this in its own way. But that is the quick haul that I have. I've been wanting to film this for a while. If there is anything in here you want to see anything more in depth about, reviews, anything like that, please don't hesitate to comment. I love comments here. Constructive criticism is great, but not bad criticism, because that's just rude. So I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe. We are fun over here. I really hope there's audio because it says off. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.